I eke te toa waiata o Tainui a Jaden Randall ki te whiringa toa o te hōtaka waiata nui katoa o te whenua moemoeā o The Voice. I aia nei, kua tau mai anō na waiwai ki Aotearoa, kia rangona ai tōna reo rōreka e te hunga ka waimaria ki te taia tinana atu ki tana huringa konohete. No te karere hoki te Māori ki te noho atu ki aia, tō mua i te whakarewanga o tana huringa konohete takitahi tuatahi rawa ki Kirikiri roa, Apopo.
Te reo rōreka o Jaden Randall. Ka tahi anō ka hoki mai tēnei uri o Hauraki ki Aotearoa.
Journey that I've been on with my music. I feel like I have an amazing support system, like my whānau and my friends that have helped me kind of stay grounded and find my feet, I suppose. But it's been crazy. I think I've been working really, really hard behind the scenes to ensure that I'm, trying to create opportunities for myself, and I feel really grateful that I'm home now and able to put on shows for my whānau.
Ko Jaden Randall I te whiringa toa o The Voice ki Ahitereiria, kei te whakarite mō tōna ake haerenga ki Aotearoa.
I think The Voice is just such an amazing highlight in itself. I think, to be able to go and sing in front of people like Guy Sebastian and Leanne Rimes and Adam Lambert and Kate, that's amazing within itself. It's so many pinch me moments, but also kind of being able to dress up all fancy and I don't have to pay for it. That's great. And yeah, I think it just kind of gave me a lot more confidence to kind of get out there and figure out what I want to do with music, and that this is something that I want to do long term. Say and that I believe in is that it's important to take every opportunity. You never know what could lead from those opportunities, and also I think it's important that sometimes those opportunities might come with a no. Things might not happen, but as many no's as you get, it's pointing you to the right direction into whatever that looks like for you.
Hei a pōpō ka tū te konohete tuatahi o Jaden Randall ki roto o Kirikiri roa. Pōtaka maipi, te karere.